Imagine stepping into a world where reality doesn't end at the edges of what you can see, but expands far beyond it. A world where games aren't just played, they're experienced. Where workouts feel like adventures. Where creativity lives in 3D space. Where exploration, connection, and imagination collide inside a headset that fits comfortably on your face. That's the world of the Meta Quest 4, a device that doesn't just upgrade virtual reality. It redefines how we experience it. From the moment you put it on, something changes. The room fades away. The real world softens. And suddenly, you're standing somewhere else entirely. A new environment. A new world. A new reality. One that responds to your movements, your choices, your curiosity. Meta Quest 4 doesn't just show you virtual spaces. It invites you to step inside them. You don't feel like you're watching a screen. You feel like you're there. Every movement is fluid. Every motion is natural. Every turn of your head reveals new detail, new depth, new dimension. The visuals feel sharper. The colors feel richer. The experience feels more immersive than ever before. And yet, somehow, it all feels intuitive, effortless, instantly natural. Because the Quest 4 isn't about technology for the sake of technology. It's about experience, emotion, presence. It's about transforming the way we play, work, learn, explore, and connect. It turns your living room into a gaming arena, your bedroom into a creative studio, your workspace into a virtual environment, your world into something endlessly expandable. Gaming becomes something entirely new. You're not sitting on a couch pressing buttons. You're moving, dodging, reacting, exploring. You swing, jump, aim, throw, climb, run, and interact like you're inside the story. Your body becomes the controller. Your movements drive the experience. And with every action, every reaction, every moment of intensity, you feel yourself fully inside the world. But the Meta Quest 4 isn't just about games. It's about connection, about presence. Imagine standing across from someone who isn't even in the same city. And yet, here they are, sharing the same virtual space, talking, interacting, laughing, collaborating. Distance fades away. Geography disappears. Meaningful interaction remains. Meetings feel more engaging. Conversations feel more natural. Collaboration feels more real. Then there's creativity. Something VR transforms entirely. Instead of drawing on a flat screen, you create in 3D space. Art becomes immersive. Design becomes spatial. Ideas take shape around you. You're sculpting, building, experimenting, imagining, not on a canvas, but inside a living environment that responds to your vision. Your imagination isn't limited by a frame. It's free. Fitness changes too. You're not just exercising. You're moving through experiences. Boxing, rhythm games, training simulations, movement-based challenges. Workouts feel fun, energizing, immersive. You forget you're exercising. You're just having fun. And yet, you're sweating, moving, burning energy, getting stronger while exploring virtual worlds. Fitness becomes play. Effort becomes excitement. And then there's productivity, something VR quietly transforms. Virtual workspaces that expand wider than any physical monitor. Multiple screens floating around you. Larger space to think, write, research, plan, create.